guys, what's up? Today I wanted to introduce you to this Garvee garden cart. As you can see, it's all folded up right now. I'm going to show you how to put it together, how it opens up, super easy, and just kind of show you how it all works. I received this in exchange for an honest review, and I was super excited about it because I can use this for so many different things, mainly for the garden, but this holds up to 220 pounds, I think. So you can put a lot of weight in this, use it to move a lot of different things. So anyway, when you open this up, first of all, you don't really have to put anything together except for adding the wheels. So you have this whole main section, and then before I open it up, because it just does open up really easy, as you can see, I just wanted to explain that two of the wheels have these little square sections, and they have a button that you just push and slide them in, and then that button pops through. And then the other two just slide right in and pop into place. So all of it super simple. You just add the four wheels on, open it up, and get going. So as you can see, it opens up super easily, just like this, clicks into place. And then here on the handle, this is adjustable as well. So right now I have that locked in place, but if you were to move this little thing right here over, then you can raise it up. And then as well, it can pop out of this so that you can pull it, but it's like it's spring loaded. So if you let go of it, it comes back into place, which is really nice. So that's super handy, but I love how it all folds up and stores really easily. I don't have a ton of space, so that's one of the things I really like about this. And then let me see what else I was going to show you. Let me put this back into place and lock that. And then when you want to collapse it, all you do is pull on this little thing right here in the middle. See how I'm just lifting that with one finger? And it all collapses right back up. So this is a really awesome piece. I love Garvee products. They're just so well made and so easy to use and put together. I'm really happy with this, super thankful. Yeah, anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.